Yes, folks. Let's see what it is. Could be a tornado warning or severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grant Parish, Western Jackson Parish. This includes the city of Jonesboro. Wynn Parish. This includes the city of Winfield. Southeastern Bienville Parish, Eastern Natchitoches Parish, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms...
Damn it.
Joyce, Bryce, Bienville, Lousiana, Dunson, Hudson, Liberty Hill, Dry Pond, Sykes, Quitman, North Hodge, Osh, East Hodge, and Bentley. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. This storm has a history of producing destructive winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville,